What's up? My brother Connor came to visit.
What's up?
Yeah. Bo should be home here in the next few hours. And I know one thing for sure, we got a lot of crap we gotta burn. So, looking like that's what we might be doing if Bo is down for that. Which, you guys know Bo, he's always down for burning stuff, so. We'll probably burn stuff. So Bo's on the lookout for some guitar picks. Because we took the guitars down from the wall, now we're playing them. Bo says he has several.
I've had several.
He had several. Past tense, because it's not present tense.
I don't know exactly where.
We didn't burn them, did we?
You know, we did burn a lot of crap.
We did burn a lot of crap.
I'm really contemplating, because the wind's blowing a little bit, but it has been raining for like a month, so everything should be good and soaked. Right?
Everybody leave a comment and say yes, Bo.
Right? Okay.
We're burning stuff again.
We order way too many things on Amazon.
That's very true.
Alright, let's see if I can get this started.
What are you doing?
What?
Wow.
You gonna let him pick on you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hey, he has treated me like that my whole life, so I don't hear it.
Have you met you? Why are you leaning it up against me?
Because. Get out of here.
What?
You know what? This isn't going fast enough for me.
Oh no. Taking out some anger there, sir? Oh boy.
This was not going fast enough for me,
Oh
so.
boy.
Just
Connor, are you 55 inches? Because it's like, the box is the same size as you. Oh no, oh no.
Oh yeah, let's burn the whole house.
Oh no, this is such a good idea.
lighter out.
There's nowhere safe to
Oh.
stand.
I got it. Huh?
Oh, that feels so good.
I don't need a flashlight anymore. It's so warm. Well, that was flashy.
You know me. Still not working. Oh Jesus!
Yeah, it's not working.
I'm very afraid.
That's not a
What?
good
Why is
sound.
that a good? That's not okay. That high squeaking sound. In movies, that's usually when a bomb goes off.
I did not put a bomb in here. We're gonna make some alcohol.
That's a jug right there. Bo never told you that he's a professional jugger, did he? Did you give us a little something there, Bo? Not that. That's.
Wait. Hey, we have coffee filters now.
Yeah, we do. What do you think? I use paper towels that we don't have?
We can. You went to the store.
I know. I got some milk.
We're gonna wipe our hands on milk.
Yeah.
Eventually, we're gonna have Applejack. After this ferments for at least 14 days. My last batch fermented for.
Totally thought this was going to be like a
26
20-minute thing. Okay, well, this is...
All right. I don't know if I put too much sugar or not enough sugar.
We'll find out in 2 weeks. That's skill. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Don't don't mess it up. Oh,
So close. Anybody can see what yeast looks like? Yes. Can you see that? Can you even see that? Yes.
what's that?
This is an airlock. This lets air travel out because what's happening is, alright, so all the yeast is mixing around, finding the sugar, it's eating the sugar and pooping out CO2. So we need the air, the CO2 to come out and no air to actually come in, because if air comes in, it'll rot. It'll be disgusting.
Huh. So we just leave that over there for a couple weeks?
Yep.
Nice. Well, Connor just left. Bo's out of it. Oh, good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.